So we got here 12:10. We left about 11:30. So it's like 40 minutes more or less up to here in the highway. So we'll just go back, see our time. Okay. Santa Maria Bikers Laguna. 7 Up Hills. Wow! It's a nice view. I'm like wondering if I'm gonna go back there. It's really high. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go down too, because it's really high. As you can see, the view is so nice. So now I reached the sign. I'm just gonna go back from where I belong, back to the highway. You can see the windmills, they're right there at the other side. So when I'm right there at the other side, this is what I see. Where is the so those are all the windmills. That's Laguna down there. See the windmills? So many places you can go with a pretty decent bike. Am I gonna go down? Why not? I'm already here. We're here in Santa Maria Laguna, the rice granary of Laguna. Santa Maria. Santa Maria. As you can see, they have rice fields because it's the rice granary. Nandito tayo sa intersection sa Mabitak at highway ng Guma, Laguna, at pagkumanan papuntang Pililla. Galing tayo doon sa Santa Maria, Laguna. Daming truck. Yan ang mga makakasabay. Tayo sa prutasan sa Barangay San Miguel. Masarap ang rambutan, ate. Saka yung avocado. Lansones. Magkano nga ho yung lansones?
130 ho.
130 isang kilo. Tapos yung rambutan ho, 100 3 kilo. Nakabalik ko. Dali akong bag. Mga kababayan, aking hawak-hawak ang kapiraso ng sanga nitong matandang baliti na ito. Ito pong baliti na ito ay kung hindi nyo na itatanong ay 100 years old na. Century old. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Grabe, ang lapad-lapad niya. Ganda-ganda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Laki-laki niya. Grabe. Pinutol niya yata ito eh. Yun, nabakli na. Pero Kita niyo naman. Work of art. Work of nature pala. Art of nature siya. Lamig dito sa loob niya. Oh, na may ahas dyan. Nandito po tayo sa barangay, mabitak pa ba to? Barangay San Miguel. Ayos. Ganda ho ng pusa nun, laki ah. These windmills, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I call them the quintuplet because they're like the most productive out here in on this hill of Pililia, Sitio Bugarin. You know what I mean? Pililia boy. Yeah, quintuplets. We take a selfie with quintuplets. Ito tayo sa Leon, kilometer 64, Leon Restaurant, Pililia. Makikita nyo ang malawak na Laguna Lake. Lawak oh. May mga yun, pababa pa yun ang bayan ng Tanay. Doon tayo po nagmula sa Pililia Park, doon sa mga windmill. So binisikleta natin ngayon ito. Kaganda no, ang taas nito. Pagka nalaglag ka, lampas kawayan eh. Pag kumalas eh, patay ka. Kataas eh oh. Nandito tayo, may mga customer. Tatanong natin kung meron silang kung anong almusal. Highway dining means that all of the transportation trucks pass through and pass by and leave all of these fucking diesel PM 2.5 particulates. That's one of the leading causes of CVD, cardiovascular disease, and respiratory diseases that inflicts the population here. And it's also one of the major causes of cancer, but who cares about that? This is a third world country. Tayo sa Jollibee sa Pililia Rizal. Bagong bukas are. Jollibee Pililia. Mukhang kaganda. Kalaki ng kanilang pizza. Kalaki ng espasyo eh. Kadami. Kalaking kaganda. Pero wala silang second floor. Sa Tanay may second floor ang Jollibee. Eh talagang tayo sabik ngayon sa Jollibee eh. Kaya tayo dumaan din eh sa Pililia. Mukhang maliit yung kanilang park ngayon ng Thai. Hindi katulad dati no. Kapapansin ganing nyo, ang liit ang kanilang manok eh. Hindi katulad dati. Ito malaparang breast. Ito malaparang hindi mo na malaman kung Thai. Ito yung fried rice with egg. Ito yung regular rice. In-order natin eh. Baka sunod na kayo ng Jollibee doon na sa Virginia Beach eh. Salta natin kasi hindi kanina Thai park. So ito makikita nyo ang anatomy ng Thai. Yung ito Thai. Mayroon siyang mabalat doon. Kanina hindi Thai. Hindi Thai po. Tayo sa labas ng Jollibee, hala Pililia, Jollibee, bago, 24 hours to. Ito ang harap ng barangay Halayhayin Hall sa Pililia. doon papunta ng Tanay at doon papunta ng kung saan man, Laguna. Okay. May Petron. Ganda yung location nila. Panalo si Jollibee. Jollibee. Pabike na tayo. Paakyat ng Tanay. May energy na, energy. Ito ang Jollibee sa Tanay. Yung kanina, Jollibee sa Pelilia, Rizal. Ito papunta ng bayan, Taon Brava. Papunta ng Maynila. Papunta ng Sampaloc, boy. Papunta ng Pelilia. Tayo galing, boy. Yun, no? Pagod, ah. We're in our journey going back to Sampaloc, Tanay. We're already here in Sitio Bayucan. I think we're already in Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. There is the Tanay Epic Park. Going there towards the left, there's the Epic Park and Rainforest Camp. You can see riders out there. These are strong young men who ride their bicycle from over 100 kilometers away or more. And here's the Epic Resto with a wonderful view. This Epic Resto here, see, it's a beautiful view of Laguna Bay, but you can find this view in many places. Yeah. So this is Sitio Bayucan right there. Bayucan or Bayuhan. Down there is on the way to Tanay Prop. All right. Here in Tanay Viewpoint used to be Ichan, and we're looking at a very beautiful view of the Sierra Madre Mountains, and beside us here to our right is Cafe Catarina. Down there is Isaw House and Cafe Natividad, and we're just waiting on EJ. We made it up here via the URS route.